Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. So I just want to talk a little bit about this video. We've had a lot of requests. I haven't got around to making it. We are definitely going to be getting into it and start making it. What this is going to be is this going to be a slideshow of my 1968 Chevelle that some of you guys do know that I have and have been wanting to see content on. So yes, thankfully, we are going to start making content on the Chevelle. I am super happy to start doing it, and I'm really happy to be bringing it to you so you guys can check out this video. Hopefully you will really like it and enjoy it. So this first one that I'm going to be doing on it, this was many years ago, probably 10 years ago or so, is when we got all of the body work done on it. There was stripping the car down, body work, painting, all of that stuff. In some of these pictures that you're going to see pieces being fabricated and being made. You're also going to see rust repairs, dents, any kind of stuff like that. I wasn't around for 100% of it, so I don't have 100% of the pictures. These pictures were taken and printed off. So what I did is I had to take pictures on my camera of these to get them on my computer to make this slideshow. So forgive me if the quality is not super great, but I wanted to show you start to where we are at now. It's not finished, but the very start of this. So we're kind of traveling back in time on the Chevelle build. That's where we're at now. Hopefully you're going to enjoy this video. This car means a lot to me. I really love this car, and like I said, we're going to start producing some Chevelle content. With that being said, also, you're going to be seeing the car videos on Wednesdays if I have car content. So if that's what you originally subscribed to the channel for, Wednesdays is when you're going to see that car content. So be sure to stop in on Wednesdays if you're liking the car content. Sundays is going to be detailing products and that content as well. If you like them both, stop in both days. Greatly appreciate all the support for it. But this Chevelle build series that we're going to be doing, I'm super excited for it. I'm super happy to bring it to you. I'm going to be calling it, I think, if you guys have a good name for it, leave it in the comments below. But what I'm thinking is either Project Chevelle or Chevelle Build Series, and I'm going to do episode 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. That's what I'm going to be doing. So we will roll through all of these photos. They're going to be a bit longer. I'm going to quit this right here. We will end the video with the photos, but I'm going to roll through a slideshow so you guys can see the Chevelle coming along. There is pictures of it when it was running. You'll notice some difference in the engine pictures. The cam went out of it. We had to rebuild the engine. That's the difference in the engine pictures. So it was when I was driving it and it was running all the way down to stripping it down to get all the body work on it done. But I really hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for stopping and checking out. Definitely let me know what you think of doing the Chevelle Build Series or Project Chevelle. Let me know which one you think we should be calling this. We will go with it. I want to hear your guys' input. I want to hear your input what we should call it. But let's go ahead and roll the slideshow. Once again, thank you for stopping in, and I hope you enjoy.
Oh baby, shaka